Time to get up! It's picnic day! Let's go!
Banana woke up with the sun in the sky. Grabbed bubble mix and spoons that didn't match.
Oh my!
Broccoli on said, let's wait a bit. But banana just danced.
Can't sit!
Picnic parade, hooray, hooray. We're packing snacks and games to play. Toasty's boom and pineapple's mat. Eggy's got spoons, imagine that. Picnic parade, come along. We'll laugh and munch and sing our song. One by one, friends bounced to the door. Pineapple spun on the picnic floor.
Wait, cried Broccoli, where's the cake?
Banana zip, no time to take a break. Fruit cake safe in the fridge, so cold. Lifted with care like treasure gold. Picnic parade, hooray, hooray, hooray. We're off to the park, it's a sunny day. Watch that cake, don't let it drop. We'll eat and play and never stop. Blankets down and bubbles fly. Boomerangs loop in the clear blue sky. But, oh no, said Pineapple, where's the fruit? Ants with crumbs in a tiny pursuit. Let's not scold, said Mugsy the cup. Let's make a snack and share it up. Honey and toast, the ants came back, returning fruit for a friendship snack. Picnic parade, what a fun day. We danced and laughed and shared our way, with cake and smiles and stories told, under the tree in picnic gold. Next time, I'll pack matching spoons. Maybe